Okay guys, if you are finding it difficult to make $50 daily trading boom or crash, then you need to watch this video to the end, because right here in this video we will be checking out how we can make up to $200 just trading using the same strategy, and we will be doing that together, analyzing the asset together, and of course see how we can go about it. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course you should practice very well before you start trying the strategies out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with friends and family? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So I will be using the trending maker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. It has gotten to the resistance zone around here, and of course it's unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. You can see the red flag showing us that the market is on downtrend, and it kept on selling until it got to this region. That is the beauty of the trading tool. But when the market actually got to this region, which is a support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it tried to go back into an uptrend, even though it's find difficult to break out from this resistance zone which was highlighted earlier on. Okay, so and of course it came down a bit, and we are expecting it to break out from this region, and it has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend. But if it breaks out from there, definitely guys, it should definitely get back to this support zone again. Okay, so it might find it difficult to break out from this particular support zone because it is a major one. It has tried it before, and if it tried it again, if it's unable to break out from there, it will also go back into an uptrend. So whichever happens, either it goes into an uptrend from here, or maybe it will break out from there and try to break out from here too. If it does not break out from here, it will still go back into an uptrend, so we should take note of all that. Okay, so if it go back into an uptrend, then we expect it to get to this region. Okay, we expect it to get to this region, and of course if it breaks out from here, then definitely we expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so you guys should take advantage of all this highlighted region to take your profits right from there. Now let's look at another asset which happened to be boom 500. Boom 500 started out a downtrend right from here, from this region. Okay, so it got to this region, had a major pullback, and of course went back into a downtrend, and at the moment it is at this support zone. Okay, even though it is still selling, but it is at a major support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, it will go back into an uptrend, but if it breaks out from this support zone, it will sell more. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and you might need a higher time frame for you to check out on the next resistance, the next support zone. But if it's unable to break out from here, we expect it to buy till it gets to this region. It will go fully into a buy trend. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this region. And of course guys, sorry about that, if it breaks out from that region also, then we expect it to get to this region also. Okay, which is a major resistance zone. You can see it around here also. Okay, so you guys should follow up with the highlighted areas. Okay, now let's check out our crash 1000. Okay, I'm going to set up the indicator on it so that we will be able to analyze better. Okay, Okay guys, this had been on a very strong uptrend, just where we are seeing it got to this region, had a major dip, and of course went back up, and of course this is still buying. So we expect this to get to this resistance zone back before we can say if it's going to break out from there or it starts selling. Okay, so right now it is buying and it will be getting to this resistance zone, and of course if it breaks out above it, it will buy more. If it does not, then definitely it should start a sell trend at that point. Okay, so now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500. Crash 500 actually started a downtrend, I mean an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow flag and the blue arrows, and it has been buying since then. It broke out from here, and of course it has gotten to another TP again, which is another resistance zone. So once it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this region, and of course guys, if it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this particular region. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then we should expect it to get to the to this side, which happen to be a major resistance zone. Okay, so these are the highlighted region for this particular asset, so you guys should take note of that, and of course take advantage of the highlighted region to milk the market successfully. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God